Dito tayo, papunta tayong Birds Park. Ito yung Wings of Mexico. Ito yung si sa La Formani. Dito yung si Coco Martin at saka si Angelica Panganiban. Yan. Yan. Nakapila eh. Haba ng pila sa Wings of Mexico. Ito na lang tayo. Haba ng pila sa Wings of Mexico. Kaya hindi na muna tayo magpa-picture doon. Babaan na tayo. Pupunta na tayong Birds Park. Kasi nga nasa 7 o'clock. Kanina 6:30 yun. Yeah, 6:30. Every 30 minutes yun eh. Tayo ngayon sa Birds Park. Yan. Birds Park yan. Ganda po dito na ito. Tayo sa Birds Park. Sabi ko sa'yo. Kasi sabi ko sa'yo, Birds Park. Nasa gitna ng downtown Dubai. Ito yung Birds Park. Ito yung fountain. Dubai Opera. Lahat ng mga hotels nandito. Residential din. Mostly residential design. Copyright ako dyan eh. Tapos na. Ito naman tayo. Ito yung mag-rent ka sa Swan Adventures. The Dubai Fountain Experience Swan Adventure. Ito yung rate niya. Ito yung price niya. It will turn it only here.
Yes, sir.
In this area only. Ah, okay. Zero. This one is the price. Ito na ito yung Birds Park. Okay, ito yung Birds Park. Okay. Kasi yung Birds Park nasa gitna kasi ng downtown Dubai. Mountain, lahat na nakainit yan. Lahat ng mga hotel. Gusto yung mga punta dito sa Dubai. Gusto yung kung wala na kayong mag-ano kayo. Yan. Mag-address Dubai Mall. Ito yung address Dubai Mall. Yan yung ano. Ito, Birds Cove. Okay. Bye. Sa tayo. Tatay ng Birds Park. Okay, tayo sa Birds Park. Maraming tao dito. Pag ngayon kasi restriction marami kaya kunti lang. Ayan po yung Dubai Opera. Ayan. Ayan yung Dubai Opera. Ayan ito Birds Park. Ito, pag sinabing Birds Park may naka yun, may mo. So okay pa din din. Ito. Yung nakaganito. Nakaganito. Nakalagay dito is ito yung nakalagay dito. We win victory. Quality is not merely an end. It has become a way of life. Yan. Ano yung slogan dito? Yan. Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. Yan. It is the man and not the place which is important. In the race of excellence, there is no finish line. Sa kabila naman, be modest in victory and resolute in defeat. Okay, dito na tayo. Birds Park. Ito yung Birds Park. Ang ganda ko dito sa Birds Park kasi lahat ng attraction. Hindi ka mag-bike, rent ka ng bike, ride ka ng scooter. Pero nung normal na days, grabe tao dito. Ngayon, hira. Bata dito may enjoy yung mga bata dito. May siya po doon. Yun may siya. Kaya medyo okay din. Mga kabayan nag-picture. CR na ako. Kita mo ito. May CR. Ayan yung CR. Tapos ito Dubai Fountain yan. Yan Dubai Fountain. Dubai Mall. Ito yung CR. CR muna tayo. Madalilig. Washroom. Hirap na puntahan itong Birds Park. Park kasi ginawa nilang one way to. Ang nakakadaan lang dito is mga residents lang. Yan. Nakadaan lang dyan residents. Dapalas Mountain para makapunta dito sa Burns Park. Kaya ganun lang ka ano ngayon, mga restriction dito. Kasi nga ginawa lang one way to. Hindi, pwede ka umuwi na maglakad. Pwede ka umuwi na maglakad pero papunta rito sa ano, hindi, doon ka dapat dumaan. Palapit tayo sa ano.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in, we got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off.
Nakatira ka dito kasi yung may Armani Hotel dyan. Nakatira ka dyan, makapasok ka dyan. See? Naglalaro ka basketball dito, yung ano mo, yung background mo. Sipin mo yung background mo, yung parang normal lang sa'yo yung ganun. Kaya lang medyo wala kang pera, hindi mo mahirapan tayo dyan. Kailangan may datong dyan. Yan o. Alas 7 na. Again, kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko, please like, comment, and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang i-hit ang bell button para updated kayo sa mga bago kong videos. Boardwalk. Not allowed now?
Sorry?
Not allowed now?
Where?
This one?
No, you have to buy ticket first.
Yeah, 20 per. Pwede maglakad dun sa loob ng Boy Fountain. 20 dirhams per person. Doon ka pupunta. Hanggang doon sa Birds Park. Doon hanggang sa Birds Park. Pwede ka maglakad. Ito may naghihintay sa boating. Balik na naman tayo dito. Ito, bumalik na tayo, umikot na tayo. Ito ako nang galing kanina, hindi ako pinapapasok. Ito ako nang galing kanina, hindi ako pinapasok kasi one way nga. Tayo na sila, naghihintay na naman uli ng ano, ng fountain show. Okay mga kaping, salamat sa walang sawang suporta. Bye bye.